in the barren heart of the Atacama Desert, where the earth is stripped bare to face the sky, sits the Ethelgard Observatory. 17,000 feet high, it's a sanctuary of silence. For Dr. Elara Vance, an astrophysicist, this place is her cathedral. She's not looking for the loud bangs of dying stars. She's listening for the universe's whispers, the ghost frequencies left behind by creation itself. The control room hums, bathed in the soft amber light of monitors. Outside, the Milky Way casts shadows on the ground. Anything on the deep field scan, asks her partner, Julian, sleep-deprived and clutching cold coffee. Just the usual background static. Elara sighs, her eyes tracing data streams. The cosmic microwave background is a wall. We're trying to hear a conversation through concrete. Julian mutters maybe there's nobody talking. Elara's gaze remains fixed. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It's arrogant to think we're the only ones making a sound. Then, at 3:14 a.m., the concrete wall cracks. A spike appears on a graph, a disruption in the microwave background radiation, originating from the boat's void, a notoriously empty region of space. Julian Elara's voice drops to a hush. Look at Sector 4 Alpha. He suggests a glitch, but Elara's fingers are already flying across her keyboard. No. ALICIA. S. Diagnostics. Are perfect. This isn't random noise. The waveform isn't jagged like static. It's smooth, oscillating. It looks like a heartbeat. For 3 days, they locked down the observatory. A false alarm in radio astronomy is a coriander. They have to be sure. The signal is faint, a whisper from across billions of light years. But it's persistent. On the second day, Julian, pale in the monitor light, says it's repeating every 74 minutes and 19 seconds. The exact same modulation. Elara stares, captivated. It's not binary, she whispers. We've been looking for one south, an O south. This isn't math. It's harmonic. She isolates the frequency, shifting it into the range of human hearing, and puts on her headphones. She expects the hiss of radiation, but what she hears is a chord low, resonant hum of 3 distinct tones. It sounds like a cello played in a deep cavern. It's mournful, heavy, and terrifyingly beautiful. It's music, Elara says, tears in her eyes. The universe is singing. Julian, ever the scientist, corrects her. Or something in the universe is singing. But what? Elara shakes her head. Nature is chaotic. Dies stably. This is intentional. They name it the lullaby. Within 5 weeks, the secret is out. The data is too massive to contain. And the world awakens to the news. Astronomers detect artificial signal from the great void. Panic ignites. But in labs and universities, the world's brightest minds join the effort. Elara is no longer just a scientist. She's the conductor of a global orchestra. During a video call with Pentagon cryptographers, she argues, you're trying to crack it like a military code. You need to look for a feeling. A general scoffs, feelings don't travel faster than light. Dr. Vance. Data does salata, retorts music is data. It's math with a soul. Look at the intervals. They match the vibrational frequencies of hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. The building blocks of life. Back at the observatory, she slows the audio down. Inside the low hum, she finds hidden complexities, tiny ripples in the sound waves. She commands her supercomputer, Alicia, to map the ripples as a landscape. The screen flickers, converting the sound into 3D terrain. Valleys and peaks appear. It's not a message, Julian realizes. Standing behind her, it's a map. But the map doesn't lead to a planet. When Elara projects it onto the known model of the universe, it fits perfectly over the cosmic web, the massive filament structure connecting galaxies. But the map shows connections that aren't there. It's a blueprint, Elara breathes. It's showing us how the universe is supposed to be connected. The signal isn't from aliens. It's an echo from the Big Bang, a structured one. She publishes her findings. The Whispering Observatory hypothesis. The universe, she proposes, is a self-correcting system. The lullaby is a feedback loop, a system check running through the dark matter network, ensuring the laws of physics hold constant. The implications are staggering. If the signal stops, does gravity stop? Does time unravel? Standing before the press, Elara explains, "We are not decoding a message from a neighbor. We are listening to the operating system of reality. We have found the pulse of the cosmos." Years pass. The panic fades into profound curiosity. Humanity stops seeing the stars as distant furnaces and starts seeing them as nodes in a living network. Elara grows old at Ethelgard, never leaving the mountain. She spends her nights listening as the lullaby begins to change, its pitch slowly rising. One night, a retired Julian visits. "Do you think they know?" he asks, gesturing to the stars. "Whoever or whatever made this system." Elara smiles softly. And in the silence of the Atacama, under the diamond dust sky, the observatory whispers back, "Thank you for watching." If this story sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us on our next journey into the unknown.